Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Groupon how to cancel order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel an order on Groupon, the first step is to log into your account. So simply head over and open up your Groupon application or open on your website, then simply log into your account by simply tapping on My Stuff on the bottom right corner of the screen and then simply tapping on Sign In and entering your credentials. Then once that's done, and in your home screen of the Groupon, simply tap on My Stuff on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then once here what you need to do is select My Groupons on the top. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on Available or Off and then find the order you want to cancel. The next step is to select the order. Simply tap on the order or the deal and look for the cancel or refund option. The next step is to simply cancel the order. Simply choose cancel or refund, then select a refund type from Groupon box, which is faster, and original payment method, which takes up to 3 to 4 business days. And once you have selected your payment method or cancellation method, simply select confirm. The next step is to check confirmation. Once done, you'll get an email confirming the cancellation. Refund type for Groupon box is usually instant, and for card or PayPal it takes up to 3 to 10 business days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.